Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a rectangle whose length, which is represented by L, is given as minus of 3a square minus 4a plus 9, and width of the rectangle, represented by W, is given as minus of 7a square minus of 5a minus 6. Okay. Now area of the rectangle will be equals length multiplied by width, which will be equals minus of 3a square minus of 4a plus 9 multiplied by minus of 7a square minus of 5a minus 6. Okay. Therefore, we have to simplify this. So what we can do is we can take minus 1 common from both of these braces. So if we take minus 1 common from over here, then it will become 3a square plus 4a minus 9, and if we take minus 1 common from the second pair of brackets, then it will become 7a square plus 5a plus 6. Okay. Now from over here we have taken minus 1 common, and from this pair of brackets also we have taken minus 1 common. So minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 will become plus 1. So no need to mention it over here. Now let's simplify this further. So 3a square multiplied by 7a square plus 5a plus 6 plus 4a multiplied by 7a square plus 5a plus 6 minus of 9 multiplied by 7a square plus 5a plus 6. Okay, so the calculation is a bit lengthy, but we have to carefully solve this, otherwise if we make a mistake then our whole problem will be incorrect. So 3a square multiplied by 7a square will give us 21a raised to the power 4. Then again 3a square multiplied by 5a will give us 15a cube plus 6 multiplied by 3a square will be 18a square plus 4a multiplied by 7a square. So we can write it, so it will be 28a cube. So instead of writing it side by side, we can write it below the term having in this as cube, because it will make the calculation a bit simple. So here we are getting 28a cube, so write it beneath 15a cube. So here we have 28a cube, then 4a multiplied by 5a will become 20a square. So write it beneath 18a square, and then we have 6 multiplied by 4a, which is 24a. Now since there was no previous term having the index of a as 1, so we will write it separately over here. Now let's move to the last pair of brackets. So minus of 9 multiplied by 7a square will become minus of 63a square. So minus of 63a square. Then we have minus of 9 multiplied by 5a, which is minus of 45a. And then minus of 9 multiplied by 6 will become minus of 54. Okay. Now let's simplify this. So we have 21a raised to the power 4, then 28a cube plus 15a cube, which will be equals 43a cube. Then we have 20a square plus 18a square, which is 38a square, and then we have to subtract minus of 63a square, so 38, so 48, 58, then 63. So it will become minus of 25a square plus 24a minus of 45a, so it will become minus of 21a, and then we have minus of 54. Therefore area will be equals 21a raised to the power 4 plus 43a cube minus of 25a square minus of 21a minus of 54. So this will be our final required answer. That's it. Thank you and have a great day.